honored guests, respected district in charge of our district, Dr. Estrella A. Barcarce, our fatherly head of this institution, Mr. Paulino M. Lasso, sir, equally talented administrators, barangay officials, supportive SPTA officers and members, to our municipal officials, parents, kinder completers, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Today, this task of introducing our guest of honor and speaker is a great privilege. I know this one is difficult, but the thought that he is a man of virtue and simplicity, I feel elated to introduce him to everyone. Our guest of honor and speaker is the living idiom of the man who happened to be born at the right place and at the right time, coupled with an impressive background. It was not, therefore, surprising that he became a part of the Department of Education. Our guest of honor and speaker was born and raised at Pagga, Ballesteros, Cagayan on the 9th day of May, 1981. He finished his elementary days here at Apmubuan Elementary school year 1994. He graduated Bachelor of Elementary Education at Northern Cagayan Colleges, school year 2002. Prior to his graduation on college, our guest of honor and speaker has chosen the Apmubuan Elementary School for his training on the job training. On 2003, in the month of September, he tries to apply in the Philippine Army, and by the blessings of our Lord, he was enlisted into regular force on the 31st of March, 2024. He is happily married to Mrs. Marjorie Gracias and blessed with one son, Chris Jonry, CJ. He undergone various military trainings here and abroad. Our guest of honor and speaker participated military trainings or exercises in Bangkok, Thailand, and Honolulu, Hawaii, USA. He becomes first sergeant of 126 Combat Engineer Company, located at Camp Atinesa, Libis, Quezon City, and first sergeant of 128 Combat Engineer Company, located at Barangay Pigcalagan, Sultan Kudarat, Maguindanao del Norte. He earned meritorious awards and decoration on his career as model and mentor of his subordinates. Now, currently, he is a battalion sergeant major of 525th Combat Engineer Battalion, Combat Engineer Regiment, Philippine Army. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Master Sergeant Christopher P. Ancheta, Corps of Engineers, Philippine Army.